Hello friend, welcome to third part of tutorial series. In this video I will teach you how to make a vaulting system in Unity with Playmakers. If you don't watch my previous video, then make sure you will see first, otherwise you won't understand what happened in this video. So let's get started. First you need to download a rifle Animset Pro package. In this package you will get this animation, which is vault animation that we use in our project. So let's drag in our controller and make its animation. Make a transition between idle to vault, walk to vault, and run to vault. So we create a variable for this vaulting animation and type its boolean, rename its vault, and make a condition for animation, uncheck the time, and vault by default true, and when mag value and also vault is true, and when it's going back it means is slowing down, and the mag value is 0.1, less than 0.1 it means it's slow down, and no walk then it's going to idle state, or it's same as in walk animation. When player move or run it's going to vault, and when it's stop it's going to idle. Click on soldier. And let's check this, it's working or not. Click on vault. If it's true it's vaulting. Yeah, but let's change the size of our box towards now check again. We decrease the box size. Yeah, it's working correctly, but there is some problem, it's continue vaulting. So let's fix this. See how I fix this. For this we need to go to third person FSM. We only working in third person this time, and make a variable. When we press jump button, basically it's change to space for jump, and paste the exact name in this field, so it's automatically get this, and we stored this value in this event. Let's close this. Create another state and make a transition between vault let's make this. When player press jump button, basically it's space, it's going to another state where animation where this action set boolean get the value of our parameter, which is currently vault, and by default is check. and paste the same, and this time its value is false. And make another relation to the run. We need another action, which is wait. It waits 1 minute per walk after completing the animation. For this I give it 1 second. Let's close this and let's try. Now let's check, see the problem is fixed or not. I press and this is, yeah, this is working fine, but there is some problem when I press space, but there is no box vault where we vault, it's continue vaulting. So let's fix this. We make another state, which is state 2, and displays above the state 1. Make a relationship between idle, walk and run. Create another action, which is recast. It's used to when we need to find whatever in front of the player. In my case, we need to find the vault box. We need to make a system when we close the vault box, it detects its vault, then it's action the vault. Otherwise, when we are in a free state or in a walk state, it's not able to vault. So we make another variable and place this. Its use is detect where the vault, and we need to find which direction is moving. If this is Z direction, so we give the value of 1 and the laser value, which is 0.5, and debug and make it red. It show the laser value between and make a new event and store the value in this event, which is check obj. We make another state, which is hit obj, where we store the hit value in new event variable. Name is hit obj. For the vault box, we need to make its tag that identify whether it's vault or it's wall, because we don't want to vault in the walls or any other obstacle, but we only able to walk our specific object, which tag is vault obj.
So we select this tag in our game object compare tag action and store its value in a vault variable. Click on that and further it's going to this state, and its value is true, it's going to vault. It means it check first if the box is tag name is vault obj. If the tag name is of any object is vault obj, it's going to vault, otherwise it's going back to false, or it's not able to vault, and it's going back. We need to download another raycast, which give the link in the description. You can download these 3 files and put this in this folder and cut this folder and paste in our project, and which is a custom action. Basically it's not available in your Playmaker. We need to import custom, and let's search raycast 2 and it's come. Let's select. Here is the no result is available in this raycast, but the default raycast is not available. No hit event. For this we need to make another variable, which is detector, and we need to put in the raycast which is used to detect whatever in front of the player. That value is 1. We replace the same value that we give in the above raycast. No hit method is select on. For this we delete first because we do not need. Now say if there is no object, it's going to false. Now check this. It's going to move when I come to our object, which tag is check obj. It's working, but when I move in free state and I press space, it's not able to vault. So that's I want. Yeah, we successfully made our vault system. We need to resize our vault box because its size is bigger than our animation. Now let's check, and I vault, it's correctly vault over it. And now there is another thing that we need to fix. First we change the position of the ground detector, and we go to soldier, and we also change the ground detector position and added this. First there is another thing we need to fix. First which change its state, create another state. We need to check if we are in a moving state or in a running state, then player is continue walk or continue running, because in first, when we are in running state and I press space, it's stop. So in here we fix this. First we get the value of run and select bool test. It's used to check the value is true or false. When the value of the variable is true, it's continue to run and walk to walk. It's not disturb the state. Select this run parameter, which used to check the value. It's come from the parameter of animator. Now let's check. Here is, I click, I press Vault. I think now it's working perfectly. It's Vault over it, and when we are in running state, it's not disturb. Thanks for watching videos. Please subscribe my channel.